All right, so I'm going to show you how to, one, make a copy of an assignment that is assigned in Google Classroom, and then I'm also going to show you how to add it to the assignment folder and how to turn it in. So first, when you notice that you get something that is in Google Slides, Docs, or Sheets, that's something that you're going to need to make a copy of. So when you come into your classroom, you'll see that in your stream, you have the assignment. So we're just going to do 3-5 practice work. And you click on Open, and it'll show you everything with your assignments. Now, you can mark it as done. When you do that, that's for your own benefit, and it also does show up to the teacher that it's done. However, if you don't mark it as done, it can show up to parents as a missing assignment, so please make sure to try and stay on top of that. If that doesn't happen, you can always check the parent portal or your student portal to see if it is turned in or not. All right. So then what you're going to do is first, you can't make edits to the document that I give you. So in here, this is what you will see, and these are your materials. So what you have to do is you have to click on the assignment link. So I clicked on 3-5 practice work. You'll notice up here it says view only. This makes it so you cannot edit the original that I have put out to everybody, because we don't want somebody to accidentally go in there, do the entire assignment, and then somebody else can go in and just say, oh, look, it's done, and make a copy and turn it in for themselves. So what you have to do is you have to go to File and click on it, scroll down to Make a Copy, and then you'll see that it shows up as Copy of 3-5 Practice Work. I am asking that you type in your last name in front of the assignment name. This makes it easier for grading purposes. It shows up the same way that I'll see it in the grade book. And then you just click OK, and it'll put it right into your drive. Then after you've done that, now you'll see that up on top here, and I'll move this down, you can actually see that my assignment is the one that I'm in, because you can tell by the name that's up on top, and you don't see the view only piece of it anymore. All right, so now I'm going to get out of the old copy, and I'm not going to do any work on here for you guys because you don't need to see that. What I am going to show you though is how you can turn in the assignment. So now we need to actually add it to the assignment folder. So again, if you're in your stream, you want to go to the assignment. So if I need to turn in 3-5, I need to go to that post. And then I just click on Add. And I click on Google Drive because that's where I saved the assignment. And I have mine right here in Recent because I just put it in there. Otherwise, I can go to My Drive and it shows up right there for me, and I can search for it. I choose that assignment and then I click Add. You'll see that when it's done, you'll see it show up. So it's showed up right here. You know that that's your assignment. Nobody else can access that except for the teacher. And then this turn in button right here. Again, when you're ready to submit all of your files. So if you're not ready to turn it in, don't click turn in. Once you've done that, you cannot edit it anymore. You have to talk to your teacher about having it returned to you for any edits that you want to make. All right, so then once I'm done, once I've completed all this, I have to actually click turn in so that way it shows up to the teacher as turned in. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I always want to make sure that you guys are able to turn in your work and get things done as quickly and efficiently as possible. And also, don't forget that when you are going into your assignments, when you turn them into me, you might get something back saying that you have feedback from your teacher, and please check it. You'll notice that I'll change the text color to red, and then I'll write you a little note down here. So it might say something like, whoops, you forgot to do problem number 2. Okay, so now you know when you come in that anything written down here is feedback from me, and anything that's written down here, I do want you to go in and fix it and then resubmit it. To resubmit it, again, you just go in here, and instead of saying turn in, it will say resubmit.